How to invest my salary? That's a sensible question generally asked by professionals who are responsible about their financial freedom. Believe me, you asked a fantastic question. And asking this question itself shows that you are on the right track. And make sure that you keep up the momentum and set up your right investment plan and stick on to your journey and reach your financial freedom. Congratulations. Let me now tell you the steps and the ideas to get started with your investing journey. Myself, Murugan, I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. Happy to present a fantastic video again. The best way to start investing your salary depends upon various factors. So let me give you a scenario and you choose the best. Let's say you are with the age group between 20 to 30 and assume that you're planning your financial commitment, which comes maybe after 10 to 15 years. It means you're planning to invest and hold on to the plan for about 10 to 15 years, longer term, not just about 2 to 3 years or for the next 2 3 months. It's really from a longer term perspective. Which one you wish to pick up? That you wish to park your savings in bank, or you wish to convert your savings into FDs, or you wish to convert your savings into mutual funds, or you wish to buy gold, or you wish to buy shares. Which one is your choice? By any chance, if you pick up parking your money in savings, it's as equivalent like you're burning your money. Remember, your money doesn't worth as same as what it worth today. So make sure that you make your money productive. This is very important. So the moment you think about saving your money, and you should care your money growth as well. So don't consider parking your money for long term in saving bank account. But if you choose FD, remember FD, although it looks appealing in terms of giving some marginal returns, but surprisingly, it doesn't even beat the inflationary returns. If you look at the historical terms, the FDs are fail to beat a real inflation returns. So be aware of it. The third one is to buy gold. Remember, gold is proven to be an inflationary proof, but you are converting your savings into an asset in form of gold, not only hedge the inflationary proof, but also should grow so that it become easier to achieve your financial commitment. And that too, if you have a 10 15 years holding period, there is something which is definitely better than buying a gold. Why not? We can go to mutual funds. But if you go to mutual funds, remember, you're not buying shares directly. You're buying shares with the help of an agent. So the mutual funds are commonly known to eat margins from your profits. Remember, mutual funds looks very appealing in a way that they come politely to you, tell you that we can help you to buy shares and we can professionally manage your funds, but they eat significant margin in the name of cost, and their cost is variable too. Be aware of it. But the point is, if you want to buy shares directly, you need some skills, but that's quite achievable. This video gives you some detail about it. So the smartest way to invest your money for long term is buying a high quality company's shares. But how to find the high quality company? I will be explaining that step by step in this particular video. And by any chance, if you are absolutely new to stock markets and got no idea what it is, and even you want a first step advice in terms of getting started, believe me, our steps will take care of you as well. So have a patience to watch the complete video. Do you know what happens when you invest your salary in buying a high quality companies? You're taking your hard earned money and you're buying a shares of another company by which you become a owner of that particular company. Henceforth, any good show done by the company in terms of profit or a growth may benefit your returns. It means you're owning a company, and if a company is growing, you will be benefited. That is the reason why buying a high quality company matters a lot. And remember, you have to buy a high quality company at a fair price. That also matters a lot. Now I'm going to give you the criterias of choosing the high quality company. High quality companies are generally the market leaders. They may have a less dependencies on their borrowings. They may be cash rich business, and they have a consistent track record. Interestingly, they may have a good margin. This all shows the company got something unique called core competence. So finding a high quality business is fairly straightforward, rather looking for a company which may become a high quality. If you look at even Warren Buffett, who invested in Apple by 2016, not in 2006 or 2000. The point is, 2016, Apple is known as one of the high quality business, but interestingly, it was available at a fair price. So finding a high quality company is not enough. You should look for a high quality company at a fair price. That's a very interesting aspect. But any chance, if you are fairly new to market, couldn't connect with the pricing and valuations, and you are serious about the investing in stock market, do consider our training program, because we have a very interesting training program, comes in a crash course, make you understand the whole aspect of investing world, and then it makes you independent in terms of investing. The second interesting aspect about your investments is diversify your portfolio. You should spread your stocks across sectors and make sure that it is diversified well in a way that you don't have a stock specific risk hitting your portfolio. And the next important thing is diversify investments across time. So don't think about investing everything today. Rather, you plan investing over a period of time. Let's say you're a working professional, you're making things monthly, then why not you can invest in stock market on a month on month basis. But coming back to the very first question, that Murugan, I am an absolute beginner, no idea how to even get started, but I got all the interest and I after all got a question that how do I start investing my salary? I'll give you a simple solution to that. If you need an assistance to find a good quality companies, and if you want an expert guidance to get started, it is very easy at Eqsis, because we have a simple solution to do that. It's called Eqsis Invest. Let me show you how it works. So if you look forward our guidance, what you can do is go to eqsis.com, our website. There you see a section called apps. Underneath you see Eqsis Invest, a simple platform by which you can begin your investing journey. If you get into it, it shows that a very smarter and simpler way to start investing. It is structured in a way that it works along with the working professionals and makes your investing journey as easy as possible. Let me tell you how it works. In just 3 clicks, you can do it. Once you sign up to this particular platform, every month you get a reminder for your corpus. Let's say you wish to invest 15,000 rupees monthly, then it gives you a list of stocks to buy for 15,000 rupees. So that's what your first click does. The second click, you can just look at the companies and you can review them. And the third click, you can buy them. If you connect with any brokers, it may happen automatically. But otherwise, you get an email copy by seeing the list of companies, you can buy it. And if you need any assistance to get started, remember, Eqsis professionals will provide support. And if you subscribe at this particular platform, you get a free assistance in terms of getting started with your investments in a way that opening your Demat account and setting up this particular one, and we can help you to start your first investments done through Eqsis Invest. How to start doing it, Murugan? If you scroll down to this particular page, and we charge just 2,000 rupees, even if you wish to invest 50,000 rupees per month, you get a consultation from here. But the point is, this 2,000 rupees is not for a month, but for a whole year. Is that everyone with me? So if you click on start investing, you can type in the amount of money you wish to invest every month. Let's say 15,000 rupees. And if I wish to start invest, in one button, it takes me through the payment gateway. Remember, type in your name and phone number and email address. And you see the price tag 2,000 with some GST involved, and then you place your order. Once you complete your order, then you may get a phone call from our team in terms of setting up your, this particular platform. But if you are good enough to do it, you can carry forward. But if you need some assistance, you can even contact us, and we are glad to provide you the complete support in terms of getting started.